What's up, everyone? 2018 Chevy Cruze. I'm going to show you how to do the cabin filter. It's kind of dark in here, so sorry if it looks a little grainy. First thing you want to do is open the door, and there's this little side panel. We're going to pop that side panel off. And then there's a screw right here. It's a 7mm, and then there's one down here as well. So let's get those out. And then on this side right here, if you open this, there's one right here, and then there's one down there. So we're gonna get those out, and then we're gonna pull this whole assembly out, this whole glove box out. And this side, and one down here. Alright, save these screws because we're going to reuse them. Alright. There's a screw right here. Take that one out and then wiggle this. You can pop it out. It'll be kind of stiff over here. You got to just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle and pull out so you don't break it. Try not to lose these tabs. These like to come off and get stuck in the dash. You got to have them back on here to get this back on right. Alright, and then grab this and just wiggle it. It should start to get a little loose. Alright, then come over here, pop this off. And from there, you'll be able to wiggle this loose. And the reason why this one has to come back is because there's a hook right here that's hooked onto this part. This should be getting looser. Alright, so there's one last screw right under here. Go ahead and get that one out too, and it should come out. Alright. And then here's the spot for the cabin filter. Now let's see. Let me open it from these tabs. Okay, on the side here, this little tab. Use your finger. Careful not to cut your finger to pop this loose. Maybe use a flathead or something. On this side too, you can reach back here. Okay, I'm going behind. Okay, and let's pull this out. Alright, there it is. Pay attention to the arrow that says airflow. Got my new one here. Airflow. See these arrows? They were pointing down. Made in South Korea. Huh. Okay. Put these in here. Like that. Push it in. That's how you do the cabin filter on a 2018 Chevy. What is this? Cruze? Yeah. Alright, so I'm not gonna really do a video putting it back together. I think you guys get the point. Just be careful not to bend or break your panels, and expect a little bit of a wrestling match. And yeah, alright. Thanks for watching.